Look at there. Backed out and left the front end. Anyways, I need to clean up. This place is a disaster. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right?
Right.
Here it is, another fine Saturday morning. It's gonna be a scorcher again today. You know, I'm ready for a little break on the heat. It's so hot, I don't want to do anything outside. But that's alright, I can accommodate that. I gotta fix this bumper. I got started there. I got lots of stuff to fix, so I still got to fix that wing too. So I may work on that sort of thing today. I think I'll put a cover on that car to keep it from getting too nasty. My regulator has quit regulating. It'll zero out, but it won't give me more than 30-40 pounds of air, which is unhandy to say the least. Alright, I turned the air off. I'm going to take it apart and see what's up. You know, I think I've had this regulator since about 1992 or so. Anyway, can't really see nothing wrong with it other than it's a little dirty inside. You know, I think I'm just going to clean it up and see if it don't do right then. Alright, I put everything back together and it's still no more air pressure. But then it dawned on me, you know what? When I took off on my little trip a while back, what I had did was alright, so watch this. So I guess you could say I fixed it. I'm gonna go with that. Alright, I'm doing a little body work and this one likes what? The smell?
I love it. I smelled it as soon as I came to the garage and I'm so excited.
I'm so excited about Bondo. Alright, she's gotta go out here and pump up the tires on that 55. It's been sitting a while. It's a little slack, but it's hotter than blazes out there. Yeah. It's a little slack. At least that one. Look at her, she's showing the old girl a little love. Put some air in the tires. Checking the oil. Might even take her for a ride. You can't never tell. Alright, I gotta get back to what I was doing. I've had a million distractions today and I ain't been doing a very good job of videoing. Honestly, I'm kinda losing the thrill. Anyway, that's my problem. This is what I've been doing. It's not too exciting. This bumper had a big tear in it where another vehicle got in the way of Mrs. Heavy Chevy when she was driving along. And so I fixed that. And I've been trying to get it straightened out where I can get it painted and get it back on. Get it back on so we don't have to look so redneck riding around like that. I don't mind, you know. Maybe I'll make one of them big 4-inch pipe bumpers for it.